Ever wondered how to achieve those amazing fast and slow motion effects? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of editing the speed curve effects using FlexClip. Now let's get started. First, open the FlexClip editor and add the video you'd like to adjust to the timeline. Next, simply click on the video clip and navigate to the speed option in the top toolbar. Now, you'll find the normal speed and curve speed tabs. The first option allows you to maintain a consistent speed throughout the entire video. But for today's tutorial, let's focus on curve speed and see how you can master your video tempo easily. As you can see, there are already some presets available. Feel free to click on them and explore with the ones that catch your eye. For a more personalized touch, let's choose Customize. You'll see several points already on the curve. To increase the video speed, move a point upward, making it faster. Conversely, move it downward to slow things down. For example, you can see 8x, which means 8 times faster, and 0.1x, which corresponds to 10 times slower. Adding a new point is a breeze. Simply click Add Point, then adjust it up or down. If you decide a point isn't needed, select it and hit Delete. Don't worry if you make a mistake. FlexClip has your back. Use the Undo button to reverse your last action, or hit Reset to return to the original speed. Once you've adjusted the video speed to your liking, click Preview to see your fantastic work. So, that's how you make the most of FlexClip's speed curve feature. Try it out today and give your video the tempo it deserves.